She wanna love us crazy. She got her mind on babies. Talking so much lately. Wanna get married maybe. Girl, I love you. They don't love you like I do. She wanna love us crazy. She got her mind on babies. Talking so much lately. Wanna get married maybe. Girl, I love you. They don't love you like I do.
Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. Hope you guys are staying safe. We have a lot of time on our hands right now, and we haven't done this to Gianni, and it's the I believe it's the handprint
like molding,
yeah, handprint molding. So we thought that we'd share that with you guys. We were just bored in the house. We actually been bored in the house for like a couple days already. We're kind of getting over it.
We're like day 70 already.
Yeah, you guys should comment, let us know what you guys been doing, while you guys been in the house. We need ideas as well. I just feel like it's been raining. I don't know where you guys are at, but in California, Los Angeles, it's been raining a lot. So the weather kind of been making us like lazy. So we wake up and we just feel lazy. So I think the days that we have that are sunny, we take advantage of those. We have like every 4 or 5 days where like when it's sunny, we go out and enjoy it. I think we see all the neighbors out walking. But yeah, we want to get his handprint molded.
Yeah, we were supposed to do it when he was newborn, but somehow we forgot about him.
Yeah.
I mean, it's better to do it now than later. So I mean, he's only 2 months.
So we're gonna get started. We'll probably place you guys down and set this up. All right, guys. So we got our little setup. I believe it says My Baby's Print. I don't know, where'd you get this one at?
Marshall's. It was like $5.
Yeah, so we'll probably get better ones, but since we're stuck in the house, we can't really go out that much.
Yeah.
We just thought to just do this one. We had it sitting around, so we're like, might as well just get out of the way. Directions say to roll it, so obviously we don't have it in a roller, so obviously we're gonna be ghetto.
Why don't you do this? Watch. Do this first.
No, it doesn't say that, so why would I do that? It says to do that.
Because you can straighten it out.
So I'm just gonna get ghetto with it, and
the only roller that I was able to find in the house.
No, actually, it's working though.
Oh, see?
But you know
You guys gotta improvise. By the way, this one wants to say hi. Say hi. You want to say hi?
Gianni, say hi. So how you guys been? We've been in the house. I think finally at this time right now we're kind of getting over, we're over this staying in the house shit. So
yeah, it's already getting to us.
Yeah, I just feel like right now there's only so much you can do in the house, so we're just like watching so much TV. I could play so much video games. I could be on the computer, be on my phone.
You have to keep doing different things to stay entertained, because if you do the same thing, we can't sit down and watch TV for more than 3 hours, because it's just...
Yeah. Well, I mean, Gianni keeps us entertained because
yeah, he does.
He's crying, we gotta change his diapers,
We take turns.
I think once it starts getting sunny, because it's just the weather, we'll probably start doing some hiking. We'll probably just, keep our social distancing, but we'll probably try to do some hiking, some walks, be more active, because I just feel like there's only so much you can do in the house right now, and I need to, be active.
Yeah.
It's bad for you not to be active, just sitting around.
Yeah, stay productive.
Yeah. So, it says impress material for you.
Impression material for approximately 1 minute. It should be clean, smooth consistency.
Wet hand. So it says wet hand. So first step was we had to open the bag, and then we had to roll it, and then right now we're gonna wet his hand or foot, which we're gonna wet his hand. And then it says wet hand, pressing it into the material. So which hand do you want to do? I think we should do his left. Alright guys, so this is a better one, I think. Alright, so we're gonna shape it to our liking. We're gonna probably just box it right.
Alright guys, we ended up having a little bit extra, so it was enough to do his footprint. So, I mean, might as well. You have to pick him up a little bit more.
He's being fussy right now too. Alright guys, so we had to put Johnny down. He was getting a little fussy. Actually, he needed a bottle, and we just fed him. But we got his hand, and we actually got his foot.
We actually had enough to do his foot, and yeah, it actually came out pretty good.
Show him the hand. But we didn't realize that this takes 48 hours to dry. So we were gonna paint it. Well, we still are. We're just gonna have to follow back up. We're gonna paint it with this, and we got our brushes. I believe this is aqua. This is aqua. We're gonna let it sit for 48 hours. Maybe we'll try 24 hours, see what happens then. We'll be back tomorrow, and then we're gonna do a follow-up on after we paint it and show you guys what we did.
Yeah, we'll show you guys the results, the finished look.
And this guy right here was giving us a hard time. It might have looked like we're bad parents trying to do it. He's just fussy.
He's fine. He just gets fussy.
He just gets fussy, so it might have looked bad that we weren't hurting him or anything. He just exaggerated. We would not be doing something to harm kids or any of that. So don't get that in the mix. You know, don't get that twisted.
He's just picky.
Yeah,
see, look. See, look.
He just had it already. He wants to go to sleep now. First he was hungry. Now he wants to go to sleep. So yeah, we're gonna have to just get him on a schedule to learn how to vlog with us, because we love doing these vlogs for you guys, and you know it's a little inconvenient when he's crying.
You just gotta learn how to compromise.
Compromise, there you go. But yeah, we wanted to do that because this thing right here has been sitting for a while, and we're like, you know what, we should vlog about it. Let them know what we're doing today. You know, we're trying to do vlogs every day and give you guys some content. It is a little hard when we're stuck in the house right now, and I know maybe you guys are feeling it. Stick in there and, you know, be strong, for we know what's going on. I mean, we already have a couple family members that we all feel, you know, we're getting tired of this. We did hear that they're opening up on the 24th, but don't quote me that. But they're not opening up everything, but they are opening up some stuff. So I mean, it is a 50-50. You guys go out, that's a 50-50. But yeah, we just want to put some content out for you guys and show you guys that we do care about you guys, and we're not ever not thinking about you guys. We always want to be doing vlogs, and we're gonna get used to this, and I gotta get used to this, and Tasha gotta get. So we're probably gonna later on look back at these videos and be like, man, look at how nervous we were.
How much we improved.
Yeah, how much we improved. So I feel like right now I'm improving, and I'm feeling better. I'm feeling confident. The way you guys are actually making me feel confident, because you guys give us good comments, and you guys
we appreciate the the attention that you guys are giving us, and that's why it makes us want to keep recording, because we get all those messages from you guys, and it actually uplifts us.
Yeah, it uplifts us, and it makes us feel comfortable more. Like this is like probably, I think we counted like our 14th vlog video challenge, somewhere around there, and it makes us feel good. You know, it makes us, so keep making us push this. We're pushing it. We're pushing as much as you guys. We're pushing for you guys as much as you guys pushing for us. So, what do you call that? Supply and demand. So
it's supply and demand. We're
doing what we gotta do, guys. We're not trying to be cheesy. We're not trying to just do some stuff to, put out there and be trash.
We want to stay entertaining.
Yeah, but we want to be original. We don't want to be, cheap YouTubers. I don't know if there's a word for that, but we just want to give you guys the real. You don't want to give us us. Yeah, good quality. We don't want to be fake and acting stuff. We just feel like when we watch people, the way I say this, I want them. I don't want something they're not them. Outside of the camera.
Yeah, scripted.
Yeah, scripted and stuff. So we're getting better at it, and you guys are gonna grow with us since we're fairly new. And we created the YouTube, I believe, 6 months ago, and I was tripping out because I'm like, man, we're doing pretty good for creating the YouTube six months ago, and we actually brainstormed maybe a month or 2 months before that, and we're like, just jump in it. And I feel like now as we keep doing them, we're getting better at it. So we just do it for you guys. So we're doing all this, and hopefully you guys enjoy our videos. And we are gonna let this sit and dry. We're gonna close it out, and we'll be back tomorrow. All right, guys. So we had to wait, I think, what, more than 48 hours?
Yeah, it was a good like 2 days because this material, it's not like clay, it's more of like a mushy kind.
Like a foam.
So, yeah, it's like a foamy kind. So it doesn't, it's still kind of squishy, but we wanted it to be like super dry so that way the paint doesn't like lift up or like kind of mess with the handprint or the footprint.
All right, guys, so we're gonna paint it. Like we said, we're gonna use the, I believe it was the aqua. We actually have some brushes right here that work. Alright guys, so we're actually gonna get started on painting it. It did take us a little longer. We actually waited, I think, more than 48 hours.
Yeah, we waited a good 2 days just because it was still pretty soft, so we wanted it to dry out, but we just realized that it's not like clay, it's more of like a foamy kind of material. So we just wanted it to be at its driest so that way when we paint it, it doesn't mess with like the footprint or the handprint.
Alright guys, so we're gonna get started. Alright guys, so this is the finished product right here. This is what we did. Got his little toes in there. His handprint. I mean, this was like a little simple one. Again, it was called, this is like, honestly, if you don't want to get messy with it, it's called My Baby's Print. It says Tiny Ideas. I don't know if you guys can see that. And then it just tells you the steps in the back.
Alright, well, we ended up just doing this,
Whoa.
bobblehead. We ended up doing the simple one right here because I just wanted to have something as a memory to put in as like little, I want to buy like a big baby box and then have like a bunch of memories, like his first haircut, his first handprint, his first footprint, and like little stuff like that. But I do want to get like a actual clay one, like a legit one. Yeah. So that way we can kind of mold his, I've seen it on Instagram, like they do like little ads and stuff. So there's like places that sell like molds. So you just put the hand in the footprint and then you can actually put it like in a frame so that way it's hung on the wall. So I want to actually buy that one, but this one's good for now, and you know, just to have like for when he's older, and then I'll be like, oh look at, this is your first handprint, your first footprint. Why do I keep I can't say footprint, guys.
Because you're tired already.
I am tired.
Tasha's tired because the baby has been up since what time?
Actually, he didn't really nap today, so.
Yeah, he didn't get no nap, so she's kind of tired. I was a little tired, but I took a shower, so I feel better. But yeah, we wanted to just do that with you guys, share that moment with, you know, doing his first handprint. Like she said, we'll do a better one. This is just one we wanted to get because, you know, we've been in quarantine, so we haven't really been, you know, leaving the house. But we just wanted to share that with you guys. Stay tuned. We do have a little adventure that we're going to do this weekend. And we're going to be vlogging that. So stay tuned. And also remember, subscribe, hit that bell button. But yeah, we're going to close it out. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And we'll be back with more videos. Peace.